class. Today, we are training our ears. I want you to sit tall and close your eyes. And whenever you hear the long I sound or the I sound, I want you to make a silent thumbs up. And if not, I want you to stay still. For example, in the word like, time, and buy. So these are the example words with the I sound. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Our first word is smile. Smile. Next, sit. Sit. Time. Time. Ship. Ship. And the last word, mic. Okay, excellent. Your ears are learning to catch the long I sound. And now, we're going to learn a very important spelling pattern. This is the consonant plus I plus consonant plus E pattern, or CC for short. Okay, but before that, let me introduce to you our rule. Our rule is, whenever you see a single syllable word with the CC pattern, the I will usually be pronounced as I. Okay, kung ugali makakita mo single syllable lang, or usa lang single syllable or monosyllabic word, usa na siya ka word, kaya isa lang siya ka syllable. Kung makakita mo ana, yung pattern niya kay consonant I, consonant E, ang pagbasa na niya kay I. Kini isang example. Atong word is time. Ang time, monosyllable ni siya, kay isa ra siya ka syllable. Kung ingani gali, ang imo makita ang word, muna siya si consonant, si T, consonant ni siya, and then si plus I, then consonant na pod, si M, plus letter E. Kung sa iyong pagbasa ni, basa yun. Ano yung pattern sa monosyllabic word, ang iyong pagbasa ni kay time. So, instead of time, ang iyong pagbasa ni kay consonant I, consonant E man, so time. Kaya kung tagtangon ni mo si letter E, sa pagbasa niya, team na lang siya, team. Pero kung magdagdagan sa E, letter E din is silent sa class. Therefore, ang pagbasa niyo siya kay time. Okay, very good. Now, anita sa ato ang ikaduhang na rule. Our next rule is, in multisyllabic CC patterns, is in the stress syllable. E is equal to I. Atong next example na pod, panalitan sir, o dili na pod monosyllable ang word. Palitag duha na siya ka syllable. Usaon na to para maibaw-an nga I ang ihang pagkabasa. For example, muna sa to ang word. Ang word nga define. Ang word nga define is two syllable siya. One syllable ang D, ikaduha nga syllable ang fine. Karon, atong tanawon kung usay end niya. Ang word nga D plus fine, ang word nga fine din E, ang pattern niya kay consonant plus I plus consonant plus E. Para mahibaw-an ani daw pa nga I ang iyang pagka-pronounce, kinahanglan makabalo ka asa dapit ang stress ani niya. Let us know first what is stress. Stress is the syllable in a word that we say stronger, louder, and longer than the other. So in this example, asa man nato makita ng stress? So naa siya sa second syllable. So para atong maibaw-an, kiningan gi-underline mo na siya ang stress nga syllable. Kung sa gali kung stress ang syllable, i-pronounce daw nimo siya nga longer, louder, and stronger. So, ani siya nga word, i-pronounce mo siya as define. Asa ka mo pataas? Dili sa fine. Kay mo na siya ang gitawag na to stress syllable. Okay, kina atong timanan ng rule, basta gali sa monosyllabic nga words, mo ni siya atong rule. Basta monosyllabic ang words, unya naka-follow siya sa CIC nga pattern, ma-pronounce na to siya as I. How about sa multisyllabic na words? Sa mga multisyllabic words, basta ang CIC pattern is in the stress syllable, nasa sa stress syllable, i-pronounce nimo siya as I. So, define. So, ano nga word? Ang define, kung saan siya magbasa? Kinahanglan ang pagbasa niya kay define. Define. So, asa dapat ang stress? Ang stress na yan nasa ikaduha nga syllable. Kung sa ganito ang rule, kung ang stress nasa ikaduha nga syllable, ang letter I mahimo siyang mabasa siya as I. So ang pagbasa ni instead nga define or define, ang pagbasa niya kay define. Okay, so muna siya ang rule nato sa pagbasa sa CC, kung atong i-apply ang CC nga rule. Okay. So, karon ato ang sugdan o pagbasa ang mga words. But before that, kinahanglan makabalo ta usaon nato pag-pronounce ang sound nga I. In pronouncing the sound I, first we have to do is to open our mouth and make a sound A. Okay, let's open our mouth and pronounce the sound A. A. And after pronouncing A, you have to glide your tongue up and forward and slightly close your mouth like the sound E. Okay, to pronounce the I sound, start with your mouth open like you are saying A. Then glide your tongue up and forward and slightly close your mouth like the sound E. Okay, let's demonstrate. Then slide your tongue. Then slightly close your mouth like saying the word E. I. Okay, very good. That's how you pronounce the sound I. I have here, I am holding something special. This is the magic green one. Okay, whenever I raise this one, it means that the sound in these words, I. Okay. First, let us start with the monosyllabic words. Look at the pattern. The pattern here is we have the consonant letter P, the next is I, then consonant letter N, and the next letter is E. Whenever you see the consonant I, consonant E pattern, in monosyllabic words, you have to pronounce it as I. Okay? And remember, if I raise this green one, it means that the sound of this word is I. Okay? In this word, say pine. Okay? Pine. Next word we have ripe. Ripe. Next, wild. Wild. Next word, drive. Drive. And our last word in monosyllabic words is wine. Okay, again, why do we pronounce this as I with I sound? It's because the pattern here is consonant plus I plus consonant plus E. And now, how about in multisyllabic words? Again, let us remember that if the stressed syllable is in the CC, it falls in consonant I, consonant E, therefore, we pronounce it as I. In our first word, invite. Why do we pronounce it as invite? It is because the syllable vite, sa aning nga syllable, ang stress naa sa vite. Kanya kung ang stress gali nasa sa I, nasa sa consonant I, consonant E, inhanglan, i-pronounce mo siya as I. Okay. So, our first word, let us read together. Invite. Refine. Refine. Next. Survive. Survive. Next word, alive. Alive. And the last word, combine. Combine. Okay. So that's how we pronounce these words. Let us remember our rule that whenever you see a single syllable word with a CC pattern, the I will usually be pronounced I. And our second rule, in multisyllabic CC patterns, it is in the stressed syllable, I is equal to I. But to check your mastery, each of you will read 15 words. So na ko'y mga kauban, sila ang mo-assist sa inyo ha, kung makabalo na ba mo mubasa sa tuwang ng mga words. So ako i-distribute ang atuang reading sheets na 15 ka book na words para mahibawan nato kung ma-apply na ba nato ang sakto nga pagbasa ani nga mga words. Okay, so very good. Ginahuman na mo basa sa tuwang 15 words. Okay, class, today we learn an important English spelling pattern called consonant I, consonant E, or CC. Atong timan atong rules. In monosyllabic words, if a word follows the CC pattern, the I is pronounced I. And our second rule, in multisyllabic words, the I is pronounced I only if the CC pattern is in the stressed syllable. Well done, class. Thank you for paying attention and participating. Goodbye and see you in our next session.